Seems like the number one way these days that anybody finds help for anything is by just going to the good old Google and asking a question. So if you're trying on some of this tech stuff or somebody showed you something and you want to know more about it, I suggest just doing a quick Google search for that. And so if I open up a new tab by clicking that plus sign up there, I can search right in this bar. This is actually called the Omni bar because it searches all sorts of things. But if I have a question about Google Slides, I'll just ask the exact question into this search bar. So how to add video to Google Slides. And 9 times out of 10, especially if it's a question about a Google product, the answer is going to appear right at the top of the screen. But you can always scroll down and see if you can find something that suits your needs a little bit better. Or if you would prefer to watch a video of somebody else doing it instead of reading about it, scroll down until you see some video options. So let's say I click on this video and I decide that I really like this resource and I want to be able to find it again. Well, you can add a bookmark for this resource so that you can add it again. And let me give you some quick tips on that. This bar up here, let me click so you can see my mouse. This bar up here is the bookmarks bar. And if this is not visible to you, you just need to click on the 3 dots menu in the top right-hand corner of your screen and hover over bookmarks and then click on show bookmarks bar. And mine has a check mark next to it because I can already see it. So this bookmarks bar is a really quick and easy way to access different pages. And you can actually organize these bookmarks into folders. So I actually want you to either right click or 2-finger click, depending on what device you're on. Right click or 2-finger click the bookmarks bar, and you'll get an option to add a folder. So I'm going to add a folder to the bookmarks bar because that's what's highlighted here. And I'm going to call it my Google folder because I want all my Google resources here. And then I'm going to click save. And since this is the video that I really liked and I want to hold on to it, I'm going to click the star. And then I'm going to add this to the Google folder on my bookmarks bar and click done. So now when I want to see that folder, if you don't see it in the bar up here, that means you probably have a lot of bookmarks like me, and you have to click the little arrows to find the Google folder. But then when you do, there is the resource that you wanted to get back to. So as you find resources that you really like, and on the next slide I'm going to give you some that you should go ahead and probably bookmark right away because they'll always be helpful to you. When you find those resources, make sure that you bookmark them so it's easy to get back to them.